How to fix LG monitor no signal. Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial I'm going to show you how to resolve an LG monitor showing no signal. So let's get started. First, double check all of your cable connections. Make sure every video cable is firmly plugged into both the monitor and your PC. Look for any signs of wear or damage on the cable and replace it if it looks faulty. Next, confirm that the monitor is set to the correct input. Press the joystick button underneath the display to open the on-screen menu. Go to the input options and make sure the proper source is selected. After that, try restarting everything. Shut down your computer and turn off the monitor. Unplug the monitor's power cord for about 10 seconds, then reconnect it. Turn the monitor back on first and then boot up your PC. If the problem continues, test with other hardware. Try connecting the monitor to a different computer or swap in another video cable to check whether the issue is with the monitor or the components you're using. And hopefully this solves the problem for you. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next tutorial.